Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find stores near you on the Abercrombie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the account button down below that can be found in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down and tap on the store locator button. Click on the no country selected section and select a country. After that, tap on the town or postcode box and type in the name of the town that you are looking for. Click on the search button. So here you can find the relevant results. But you can also use the near me button or function so that you will provide access to the application to your location, and it will detect the nearby stores. But tap on the result, you can check it out on the map. The phone number is also available, the address and the opening hours too. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.